Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be doing my April Boxycharm unboxing. So I feel like I've been waiting on this box this month for a very long time, and it just got delivered today to my house this afternoon, and I was planning on filming earlier, but then I ended up having to work tonight and cover someone perks of management. I thought I would just kind of try and get it to you as soon as I could, and so it's like 9:30 right now on Monday night. I normally post on Mondays, but it probably won't go up until tomorrow, Tuesday. But let's jump in and see what I got because I am very excited about this box. So they did change up their little card format this month. It normally came in like a postcard kind of size, but this month they have it like a little fold out thing, and the theme this month is eye candy. Pretty cute. So the first thing is this brow mascara from the Brow Gal, and I unfortunately got it in the shade Brown Hair 02, but I might be able to use it. I do have, I really enjoyed the Essence brow mascara in a brown color, so I thought I would try this on really quick and kind of see. If not, I'll send it to my sister or something. That's not bad. So I think that's actually pretty good. I might have to go in a little light-handed with it because of the color, but I do enjoy it. I think it matches my roots kind of well, so that's always nice. I dropped my box. So the next thing is from Adessa. Don't really know how that's pronounced, but it's a high definition liquid lipstick, and I couldn't find a color shade name on this anywhere. It smells really good. I think that is a color I'm really gonna like. It's kind of glossy, but not like overly glossy. It's definitely not matte. I guess it's just like a liquefied lipstick. I like it. I like the color. It smells super good, so I'm excited about that one. And the next thing is from Dr. Brandt. This is the third thing I've gotten from Dr. Brandt in Boxycharm, and I've had it since September, and so I feel like that's kind of a lot of things to get from Dr. Brandt because that's kind of an expensive brand. But this is the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. So I think I'm going to try this tonight. I'm pretty excited to try this one. It's supposed to be like a pore clarifying mask kind of a thing, and I'll let you know how it goes. I do post a video at the end of the month. I actually usually tie it along with my monthly favorites where I do a recap on all of my Boxycharm things, and so make sure to stay tuned for that. I'll kind of tell you how that mask went. The next thing is from Tarte, and it's the Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter in the shade Exposed. I like Tarte. Pretty excited about this. So it looks like a golden-y color maybe. Yeah, it's definitely like a golden color. Sorry, the lighting's really weird. I was trying to like help because it's dark outside. I do have some lights, but I usually use mostly natural lighting, but so it's a little strange today. That's pretty. It feels nice. I feel like you can either go like really minimalistic with this or really like layer it on and get more of a punchy highlight. I would probably go a little bit more natural with it, but I'm excited to try that. I do have another liquid highlighter from e.l.f. that I actually really like as well. I haven't used it recently just because, I don't know, I haven't really been reaching for it, but I do enjoy it. So I'm excited to try the Tarte one. And the Tarte one's more of like a golden tone, where the e.l.f. one is a little bit more like cool toned. So the last thing is from ColourPop, and I got the Golden State of Mind palette. I know there was like 5 different palettes that you could have gotten. I don't have any ColourPop eyeshadow palettes, and so I didn't really care which one I got. This one I know is a all metallic palette. This is it here. It's such a cute little palette. I love the design on it. Let's swatch a few of them. There's a few of them swatched. I'm pretty excited about this. They actually kind of remind me, a few of them that I swatched kind of remind me of the metallic shades that are in the Pure Cosmetic palette, the Soiree Diaries, where they're like really buttery, but almost like too buttery for a metallic, so they kind of like ball up on each other a little bit. Like 2 of the ones I swatched are kind of like that. The other 2 are just like super smooth, really nice metallics. So we'll see how that goes. I have heard really good things about this. I actually just watched a video earlier of Andrea Matalano, sorry, talk about this palette. She was decluttering her palettes and she said she really enjoyed this one, so I'm pretty excited to give this a try. But that's everything in my box. Like I said, at the end of the month, tagged in with my monthly favorites, I'll be doing a subscription recap, and I'll go over the products that I got, kind of be testing them out for the next few weeks, give you my thoughts, what worked, what didn't. But I'd love to hear what you got in your Boxycharm. Did you get Boxycharm? Did yours come late? I feel like mine came so late this month. Maybe I'm just imagining things because everyone else already has their box. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. I would love to have you around. And until next time, bye guys.